Hi, I'm Danny Freedman, co-owner of MakeSpace Inc. I wanted to talk to you about our investment in stabilized storages across Canada. Since my partner Vaughn Koyman and I started our stabilized storage fund 2.5 years ago, we've been joined by over 500 Canadian investors who've invested almost $20 million in storage facilities across Canada, just like this one in Pender Harbour. When I think about new investors coming in, these are the things I think I would consider. Why should I invest in self-storage, specifically Canadian self-storage? Secondly, why should I invest in MakeSpace Capital Partners and our stabilized storage fund? And last is, why now? Let's talk about self-storage. Did you know that self-storage is the top asset class of the last 20 years? Not just in terms of returns, but also in terms of low volatility. Even during the tough times of the 2008 recession or the pandemic last year, self-storage continues to have drivers for the business and continues to return profits to investors. As well, in Canada in particular, self-storage is quite undersupplied. Even though there's over 4,000 storages in Canada, it only represents maybe 3 square feet of storage per person. In the US, they're up to 9 square feet of storage per person. That's a huge gap to fill. So why MakeSpace Capital Partners? With MakeSpace Capital Partners, you're buying not just a local self-storage or into a local self-storage in local community. You're buying into a portfolio of stabilized and profitable self-storages across Canada. And not only do we grow by acquisition, but we continue to grow these profitable storages organically and through our portable storage and flex winter tire storage. So why now? If you ask me, for the last 20 to 30 years, there really hasn't been a bad time to get into self-storage. But right now, the MakeSpace Capital Partners Fund has already grown solid, profitable assets. We have a targeted 6% annual yield paid quarterly, so your money goes to work right away. And we're just getting started. If you think this is something that you'd like to look at, and you're interested in storage and MakeSpace Capital Partners, I'd love for you to talk to your advisor, see if it's right for your portfolio, and we'd love to welcome you to the fund.